20470, wind 050 at 3, visibility 10, light rain, sky condition 8,000 scattered, chilling 13,000 overcast, temperature 202.18, altimeter 29904. Expect GPS runway 30, circle to land, runway 12 in use. Attention all aircraft, has this weather information for California and coastal areas available on high loss, flight watch, or flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact, give information, Victor.
Information Victor. Tak? Częstotliwość ground to jest 121.6 121.6
Surfair 204, clear the Hopper Airport, flight runway heading for radar vectors of Woodside, and that's cloud. Climb maintain 2100, expect 250, 5 minutes after, 13565, squawk 6316.
Surfair 204, readback is correct.
Thank you, sir, appreciate it.
Sun Carlos ground, Cessna 5499 Quebec on Juliet parking, requesting taxi to run up area runway 12 and close traffic with information to Victor.
5499 Quebec, San Carlos ground, runway 12, taxi via Juliet.
Runway 12, taxi via Juliet, Cessna 999 Quebec. Dobra? San Carlos Tower, Cessna 5499 Quebec, runway 12, ready for departure.
Cessna 5499 Quebec, San Carlos Tower. Give way to the Cherokee on taxiway Kilo. Hold short of runway 12.
Give way to the Cherokee, hold short runway 12, Cessna 999 Quebec.
Cessna 293, number 2, follow the Castellan short, final runway 12, clear to land.
Clear to land 12, number 2, 17293.
Survey 306, if able, continue your descent down to pound altitude. Follow the Cessna 152 that's approaching base flag number 3, runway 12, clear to land.
Okay, got Cessna site number 3, clear to land. Going to stay.
Raz, dwa, trzy, nie widzę trzy.
Survey 306, and traffic 3 o'clock, 2.5 miles less than the...
Z tego może puści, a może nie. Powinien puścić.
Tower, cabin 405 terminate. Cherokee 905 Victor, runway 12, line up and wait, traffic 3 miles south of the airport, Cessna.
Line up and wait, runway 12, Cherokee 95 Victor.
to Cessna 99 Quebec, and you will call my crosswind turn.
Mayflight 28, do you have the Cherokee in sight that you're supposed to be following?
Firm, Mayflight 28.
Mayflight 28, roger, maneuver as necessary to follow that traffic. Additional traffic departure, runway 12 straight out, Cessna. We'll call Mayflight 28.
50 knots.
That's on down, station there, 297, ready, 12. Stationary, 92977, St. Carlos Tower, tank 50, hold short, runway 12. Holding short, 12977. St. Carlos Tower, Cherokee 95 Victor is a short approach, possible. Cherokee 95 Victor it is, continue on down. SAJ 95 Victor. Stationary, 92977, St. Carlos Tower, runway 12, please take off, maintain runway heading. For takeoff 12977 will maintain runway heading to advise. Cherokee 95 Victor, short approach crew, runway 12, clear for the option. Short approach crew, clear for the option, runway 12, Cherokee 95 Victor. Cessna 99 Quebec, your crossover now turn is approved.
Cessna 99 Quebec.
Flight 28, number 2, follow Cherokee there, you're going to do a short approach, runway 12, clear to land. 12, clear to land, Flight 28. Stationary 977, traffic ahead and to your left, turning downwind, Cessna 152, report inside. Inside 977. Stationary 977, pass behind that traffic and your left crossing is approved. Left crosswind behind the traffic, 977.
Stóp, 80 węzłów, 200 obrotów. Nie wznosimy się, nie opadamy, tak co możemy lecieć. Prawo jeden ląduje, to jest pierwsze.
Ale lecisz równolegle, czy trochę pod skosem stronę?
No, trochę pod skosem.
Cessna 99 Quebec, follow the Cessna 152 on base leg approaching Oracle. Report in sight.
I have that traffic inside Cessna 99 Quebec.
Cessna 99 Quebec, would you like full stop taxi back or the option?
I would like to stop taxi back Cessna 99 Quebec.
Cessna 99 Quebec, number 2, runway 12, clear to land.
Runway 12, number 2, clear to land Cessna 99 Quebec. Designing prędkość to klap.
To jest Diamond Shape.
Tak, Diamond Shape łatwo. I teraz base to final turn.
Flight 28, hold on taxiway Kilo, then contact ground point 6, turn right at Foxtrot. Kilo, ground point 6, clear flight 28. Cherokee 95 Victor, follow the Cessna. On final, number 2, runway 12, cleared for the option, traffic is a full stop.
Number 2, clear for the option, runway 12, Cessna in sight, Cherokee 95 Victor.
Cherokee 95 Victor, roger.
Cessna 909 Quebec, runway 12, taxi via Kilo.
Taxi via Kilo to runway 12, Cessna 909 Quebec.
Mooney 97 Delta, turn left 20 degrees for noise abatement. You can make your left crosswind turn off of that heavy.
97 Delta, roger.
Całka katamaran.
97 Delta, we got a little problem here.
Okay. Mooney 97 Delta, say intentions.
We need to come back. We got a pretty strong miss here. We need to get on the ground, see what's going on.
Roger, can you continue runway 12 or do you need land 30?
We're going to hold for 12 here. We're running on a couple of cylinders all of a sudden.
Mooney 97 Delta, roger. Cherokee 95 Victor, go around.
Going around.
Czekaj, o co chodzi?
Cherokee 95 Victor is going around.
Thank you. Mooney 97 Delta, runway 12, clear to land, wind, calm.
97 Delta, thanks. Ale nie zgłosili Mayday.
Ale ktoś nad lotniskiem, czy dolatujący?
Nie, ten po starcie. Ten ziomek cały po starcie. My się zatrzymamy i będziemy ładnie czekać. Chyba, że coś się na pasie może stać. Mam nadzieję, że nie.
Tam jest
tamten.
jeden.
Tak, to jest tamten.
Wind 020 at 3.
97 Delta, thanks.
Cherokee 95 Victor, if possible, request another short approach. We'd be happy to circle.
Teraz nic nie odpowie, czeka na tamtego.
Mooney 97 Delta, turn left at the end, at ground point 6. Cessna 99 Quebec, turn right at Foxtrot, runway 12, taxi via Kilo.
Turn right at Fox Houston, and I would like to terminate close traffic, Cessna 99 Quebec.
Cessna 99 Quebec, contact ground point 6.
Contact ground point 6, Cessna 99 Quebec.
Archer 905 Victor, runway 12, cleared for takeoff.
Ground Cessna 5499 Quebec on taxiway Kilo requesting taxi to Juliet parking.
Cessna 5499 Quebec, San Carlos Ground, taxi Juliet parking via Juliet.
Taxi Juliet parking via Juliet, Cessna 999 Quebec.
Yeah, San Carlos Ground 997 Delta. It seems a little better here. We can keep this squawk and talk to tower. Will give us another shot.
997 Delta, roger sir. Continue with your previous squawk of 4233. Hold position, contact tower 119.0.
119.0, thank you for your help, 97 Delta.
My pleasure.